Welcome to AutoCode 2018. It's my pleasure to be here with Irwin from OpenSynergy. Hi Irwin.
Hello.
Thanks for your time. Please could you introduce yourself, including your role at OpenSynergy?
So my name's Irwin Fletcher and I'm the Quality Director at OpenSynergy. As far as my role goes, that's all about working with the teams, working with the people, and trying to make sure that the processes we have are both commercially viable, technically viable, and meet the standards that our customers are asking us to achieve.
How have DevOps and Agile methods impacted your role as Quality Director?
It's interesting because we really don't do DevOps, okay? We produce products which we put on the shelf and people take them and integrate them into their own products. So in the end, we don't have a staging area and a production area the way some people do. If DevOps happens, it's really within the team as they set up their own environment and they look after that. On the other hand, Agile, for example, is a major impact on what we do these days. We're pressured by consumers to get more rapid development, and OpenSynergy tends to work for the next generation. So we're always in a kind of a exploratory, innovative mode, and therefore Agile is very, very handy for us when we do that.
Apart from reducing risk and decreasing time to market, what would you say are the other advantages when it comes to the adoption of Agile software development?
I think it's about pushing the responsibility down into the team itself and for the team to take on the challenge of taking that responsibility. I think in this industry, there's often an opportunity for people to simply say, no, we push the responsibility up to somebody else higher. So when we do that, we can get a lot more quality and the team get more motivated and enjoy the work a lot better.
Adopting Agile in ISO 26262 could be an indication of continuous compliance. What are the implications over process control, automation and documentation?
I think it's more about incremental compliance. That is to say that we do some Agile, then we get back into compliance, we synchronize, we use Agile again, we synchronize, and then at the very end, we can tidy everything up. And this is kind of using the Agile refactoring technique, but instead of doing it for code, we do it for the safety elements of ISO 26262.
So later this afternoon, you'll be presenting a case study on Agile software development and ISO 26262. Can you give us a few insights into what you're planning to talk about?
I want to start off by highlighting some of the benefits that we can get from Agile, but also then look at the conflicts, the pain points that you get when you're trying to bring together Agile and ISO 26262, because deep down, philosophically, they're really quite different things. They are not interchangeable and you have to blend. And so I've got a case study that we've been fairly successful with, which is a bit of Agile and quite a lot of ISO 26262.
What are you looking forward to over the next couple of days?
As usual, I think it's networking. It's when you listen to people giving talks, there's often that moment you go, right, that's a really good idea. I wish I'd have thought of that. So it's about learning, it's about networking and meeting new people.
Thanks for your time and enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you.
Thank you.